We really need to review an accent in middle of the year. For English class, this is studies that are class is tomorrow.
Don't stress out the person. Let's start with the Panchatantra from India. Remember, this animal fables teaches us practical wisdom.
Right, let the story of the landmaker. What was the main lesson of the tell again?
That story shows four scholars, but three of them only are book learning without commons. They used their magic to bring a dead lion back to life, but the fourth friend, who had common sense to climb a tree and survive while the others were eating.
Exactly. Knowledge is useless without good judgment. Now, what about some Boris poem? The same bird in a free bird.
That poem contrast has two different roles. The tame bird lives safely in a cage with the free bird soars in the sky. They love each other but neither can adapt to others' life. It represents the tension between security and freedom.
Ah, I see. And moving to Middle Eastern literature, we have the Brahmi story 1001 Nights.
That's the tale of Sarazat to save her life. But she told the king a new story every night, leaving each one on a cliffhanger. One of her is the most famous story is Simba the Sailor.
Oh, Simba sailors. He wants a 7 dangerous voyage across the giant rock bird. The broad courage, resilience always back home.
What about the Chinese literature? We also read The Soul of the Great Bell, right?
Yes, that story by Balak that you heard, Estep and Vijay. It's all about Kumai, a devoted daughter who sacrifices herself by jumping into the molten iron so her father could successfully cast the great bell for the emperor.
That story shows deep filial pity, unconditional love, and respect for one's parents.
Look at that! The freedom from the light makers. The freedom then the paper, then survive, then 1,001 night. Adventure at Tayfad. The liberation of the soul of the great tale.
We've got it, Mons. Great it. Let's practice one more time and we'll deliver